Hi! In front of me is TECNO Spark 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can use one-handed mode. First of all, go into Tab menu and look for One Hand shortcut. When you find it, click on it. As you can see, one-handed mode is now on. If you wish to change placement of it, tap on this little icon under the X. If you want to go back to the standard size screen, click on the X instead. You can also just tap on the shortcut again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!